This information is not yet officially confirmed nor supported by more sources, but one of our Israeli industry source told me that Elbit Systems may deliver the Pandur 26x6 for the Philippine Army's Wheeled Armored Personnel Carrier Acquisition Project instead of Iveco Latam's VBTP Mr. Guarani 6x6. The German government's Office of Export Control, Bundesamt für Wirtschaft und Ausfuhrkontrolle, BAFA, has blocked the sale of 28 Brazilian-built Guarani 6x6 armored personnel carriers to the Philippines. The presence of German components in the vehicle allows Germany to veto their re-export. Defense Aerospace reported that the Guarani project was specifically developed by Italy's Iveco Defense for the Brazilian Army, which owns its intellectual property and which receives royalties on each export sale. It is produced by the company Iveco Defense Vehicles, IDV, in Set Lagoas and was sold to the Philippine Army by Elbit Systems as part of a large government-to-government agreement managed by the Directorate of International Defense Cooperation of the Israeli Ministry of Defense, SIBAT. This is because Elbit Systems risks contract cancellation from the DND if it waits for Iveco Latam and Brazil in general to settle its issues with Germany on supplying German-made parts to Brazilian-made weapon systems that is delaying the delivery of the Guarani 6x6 APCs. By now, the Philippine Army should have received the first 5 units and should be receiving 9 more before the end of the year, and 14 units by 2024. Iveco Defense has supplied the Philippine Army with 28 Guarani 6x6 armored personnel carriers. At a total value of $47 million, not $39.3 million, the contract marks the first export win for the vehicles. Iveco Defense will arm Philippines cars with an operated turret with a 12.7mm machine gun or a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The VBTP is a new family of 19 6-ton 6x6 armored, amphibious vehicles, developed jointly by Iveco and the Brazilian Army, DCT, Department of Science and Technology, following the contract signed in 2009. Fitted with an Iveco FPT 9-litre, 281 kilowatts, 383 HP, bi-fuel common rail engine, coupled to an automatic gearbox, the VBTP can carry 11 personnel. It is 7.0 meters long, 2.7 meters wide and 2.3 meters in height and can be transported by C-130 Hercules and KC-390 aircrafts. The adoption of a modular approach to product development provides numerous advantages, including development of product variants without unnecessary re-engineering, reducing timescales and costs, optimum combination of power, protection and payload, flexibility in operation, support through improved maintainability and ease of upgrade. The Guarani can be equipped with manned and unmanned turrets carrying armament from 5.56 to 30 mm. The requirements for the VBTP Mr. VBCI included an Elbit remote control turret, equipped with a Mk44 Bushmaster 2 cannon and a 7.62 mm machine gun. It should also be able to fire anti-tank guided missiles. This turret, capable of 360-degree swivel and elevation depression of -15 to +60 degrees, was chosen by the Brazilian Army on a selection made from among 4 companies. A significant aspect of this vehicle is that the turret is equipped with weapon sights and it is stabilized in 2 axes, allowing firing on the move with very high probability of hit within the first shot.